All right, so I'm ready to make our dough. And we're gonna use a stand mixer. I'm gonna make another dough that's going to be with the hand mixer so we could see if you don't have a stand mixer, so you can see how to do it. All right, this is my stand mixer. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I am going to remove my bowl first to make it easier to add my ingredients. Okay, so here's what we're going to add. We're going to add number one. We're going to mix our sugar, our brown sugar. Okay, and then we're going to add the cinnamon to it. We are going to add the ginger and the clove. There's the ginger and the clove. Then we're going to also add the salt. The salt isn't there to make it salty. Salt's actually a flavor enhancer, and it's going to give it a lot more robust flavor. If you didn't have it, you would actually miss it. It would taste very flat. All right. Then we need the corn syrup and the vanilla extract. So I'm gonna add the vanilla. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my spatula to get all of it out. That's why it comes in kind of handy. My corn syrup, sticky stuff. So that's why I was trying to avoid touching it. By the way, before we start anything, you should always wash your hands, and I did already. If I neglected to mention that, I apologize. But you should always wash your hands before you start any cooking task, and I always do. All right, so we got our corn syrup, super sticky. And then we need our butter, our softened butter. And that's what this is for. It's gonna help get it out. All right, I'm gonna get it all out. And that should maybe help get some of that corn syrup off of it. There we go. All right, and that's it for now. We're not gonna add any flour yet. So we're going to go ahead, put our mixer on. I'm gonna move it closer. I'm gonna add my paddle. And if you have a paddle with a scraper, that's even better. I have one that raises to position, and then we're going to turn it on low. So for me, it's number one or start. I'm going to drop it, and I'm going to take anything that's on the side, and I'm going to kind of push it down towards the middle, because I want to make sure everything gets incorporated evenly and well into this sugar mixture. We're actually creaming everything together, and that's more of the technical term. All right, I'm gonna make sure I get this off of my rubber spatula. The easiest way I found is you always scrape it on the sides, and then you scrape that, and you kind of hit it. It'll fall right back into it. Then we lift it up, and again, go on slow, low. Now that my mixture is smooth, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle flour in until it forms a stiff dough. Now, it may not take all the flour. It depends on a lot of factors. Okay, I'm not going to get into them all, but don't automatically assume you just dump your flour in, because you may actually add too much flour. Then you need to add more liquid, and then you may add too much liquid. It becomes a game, and it messes everything up. So we sprinkle it in until we form a stiff dough. We don't want it sticky. We want something that we can work with, but it's stiff. All right, so keep that in mind. So when we say sprinkling flour, I'm gonna take this. I might add a quarter of it in, maybe a little less than a quarter to start. Okay. Get it off of this, and then once again, start on low, especially with flour. If you go too high, you'll cover the kitchen in flour. And scrape a little bit more flour. I'm gonna add another quarter-ish to it. Okay. And then once again, and the dough's still not stiff, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop it and I'm gonna scrape it down to get any flour that's on the side into it like we did before. And I'm gonna get that off and I'm gonna add more. How do I know? Because I know I can feel it with this, it's sticking to my spatula. So I know it's not a stiff dough yet. All right, I'm leaving some back. I'm going to raise it, and once again, starting on low. Go ahead, stop it, scrape it. Oh, I can feel the difference in it now. And if when you do this, you'll feel it. It is a lot stronger. It's really a lot harder. I'm gonna move this around so I can get to this edge. All right, and I'm gonna incorporate it, but I think we may be there. I mean, if I see it, it's not really sticking to my hands. I'm gonna incorporate this flour that's there, and I'm gonna check it one last time. We may need that flour, we may not. We're done. Coming right up, I'm gonna show you how to roll it out.